this video, I want to show you how to create presenter feedback survey. First, you need to click Add-ons, Coffee Form, and Load Form Template. And there you can search presenter feedback survey. After you found the template, click Load Selected Template, and you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. Just refresh the page, and then click Coffee Form and Get Link, and click Continue, and then choose your account. Click Advanced, and then go to Coffee Form, and just click Allow here. And you will get a link like this. Just copy it and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. But you can also custom your form. For example, go to question type, and I want to insert new row here. For example, I use text, and just copy the question text and change the questions. For example, I change it into name, like this. Go to your form and just refresh, and it will show like this. Or maybe you can change the question type, for example date here, and don't forget to change the text too, and it will show like this. So the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Or maybe you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, and it will disappear instantly. You can also change the background color of your form in the setting. Just pick the color that you want, and it will change. Or maybe you can change the style of your title. Here I use mark behavior. You can just follow the step. Just type the code like this. For scroll amount, I use 25 here, and don't forget to close the code to here, like /mark, and go to your form, and now the title is moving. Thank you.